This is Karina from STEAMA breaking down what you need. STEAMA, we teach a simple formula that you can use to figure out how many questions you need to get correct on each section of the SAT, ACT, or CLT to qualify for Bright Futures. The first thing we teach is for you to look at what is your goal score. That's the score you need to earn for the scholarship and divide it by the total score possible on the test. This will give you a percentage. So then once you determine your percentage, you just multiply it by the total questions in each section, which tells you how many questions you need to get correct on each section of the test. So for instance, if your goal is 580 out of 800, we would then divide 580 by 800, which would give us 72.5 or 73%. And then we would multiply that 72 by a total of 58 questions for that particular section, which means that you would need to get 42 questions correct. To ensure that everybody gets an opportunity to get these same lessons that you would get in an a STEAMA college test prep class, we're going to actually help you break it down. So we're going to start off with the SAT. In order to get the 100%, you need to get a 1340 out of 1600, which means your percentage is 84%. So you would just multiply each section by 0.84. So, for instance, on the reading, if there's 52 questions, you need to get 44 correct. The math, 49 out of the 58. For the ACT, you would need to get a 29 out of 36, which is equal to an 81% to get the highest Bright Futures or to qualify for 100% of the Bright Future scholarship, which means on the English section, out of the 75 questions, you need to get 61. On the math, out of 60 questions, you need to get 49. The reading section, 32 out of 40, and the same for the science section. For the CLT, to get 100% Bright Future, you need to get a 96 out of 120, which is the total amount of questions, which is an 80%. So that means on each section, you need to get a 32 out of 40. So that means you can miss a total of 8 questions on each section of the CLT. For the SAT, to get the 75% Bright Future Scholarship or to qualify for it, you need to get a 1210 out of 1600, which is 76%. So that breakdown for the reading, you need to get 40 out of 52, means you can miss 12 questions, and that's actually reading and writing. Math, 44 out of 58, which means you can miss a total of 14. For the ACT, to get the 75%, you need to get a 84 out of 120 to qualify for the Bright Futures, which means in each section you would need to get 28 out of 40, which allows you to miss 12 questions total on each section of the CLT. Up to you. Like and subscribe and follow us at IG at STEAMA_Academy.